Hello everybody, welcome to this episode, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Python 3.7.2 on your computer. And this is specially dedicated for CBSE students because we need to do some settings before completely setting up Python on your computer. This is how to install Python 3.7.2 and you're watching ExciteByte. Okay, so I have Chrome open right over here. I'm going to paste this URL here, and you can see right over here I have also put this link in the description. Also, you can see this on the screen. Press enter. At this page, scroll down until you find files. Once you have found files, you can see I have so many versions of them, but take a note, if you want to install Python for studying as a study purpose, you need to install only executable installer like this one and this one, this one. For macOS we have only installer. For Windows it's written as executable installer. Now you see that we have 64-bit for macOS and we have both version supporting version here, installer here. But for Windows we have a completely separate installer that is 64-bit, and also we have an executable installer that's 32 actually, when there is nothing not written here. Now first of all, before installing, you need to know what kind of bit does your computer support. So for that, head on over to the search bar, type this PC, right click it and click properties. Once it opens, as you can see here, it shows that my system is 64-bit, that is into 64 based processor. So what you need to do is install this one if you are on Windows. If you are on Mac, you can install this one or this one, it's up to you. If you are using a 32-bit, then you can install this one or this one if you are using Mac OS. So for now I'm going to install this one. Alright, it is installed, so I'm going to just open this file. You see here this window, Python 3.7.2 64-bit setup. If it was 32, it was going to show here 32. Now you see you have an install option here, but before clicking this install option, you need to add Python 3.7 to path. The reason why I'm doing this is because we need to connect this Python's database to MySQL database, which we are going to learn in class 12 actually, connecting this path. But for now, you need to actually do this thing, because if you don't check this option, then you will have to do some you have to do some coding in command prompt, which is going to cost you a lot of time. So simply click install on here and wait for the complete installation to go on. Alright, so setup was successful and we have the creator's name, Mark Hammond. Alright, so you need not to do anything because it is installed. Simply close it. If you want to open Python, head over to the search bar and type IDLE. IDLE. Once you type it, it is going to show you a suggestion Python 3.7 64-bit. Click right over here. You can see at the top IDLE Python 3.7 64-bit. You can run as administrator or simply just click open this, and you should have something like this on your screen. Okay, this is Python 3.7.2 and this is a shell. Now what are all these things? We're going to discuss that in the next video, which is coming tomorrow. So make sure to like this video, turn on, subscribe and turn on all notifications, because the next videos are going to be very useful for your own syllabus, that is CBSE class 11. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a like down below, share this with your friends. Signing out for today. See you guys very soon.